Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Have you ever thought or research on how you can prevent or mitigate the effect of flies, especially flies on your cow shed or your dairy farm? So, flies are those type of flies that disturb the cows, especially when you are milking, yeah. And the infestation of fly in your dairy farm uh, is a big loss in terms of the cow production will go down because it will be disturbed by the flies. Yeah. So we have fly, we have all those tiny insects that come and disturb your dairy cows. So today I'll be showing you how we are going to tackle these. One is by spraying. Second is by ensuring that there's cleanliness when it comes to dairy farming. You have to make sure that your cow shed is very clean by all means possible. Yeah, look at this cow, is very clean as you can see it. The cow shed also, I have already cleaned it, and now I'm going to be spraying insecticide. Yeah, and I'll be showing you which type of insecticide I'll be spraying. Another factor that you should consider when you are fighting those flies is the compound on where your cow shed is. Make sure the surrounding, we don't have bush around, uh, we don't have debris around, yeah, so that you can put over those flies and rodents like rats. You can put them away by clearing the bush around the cow shed. Yeah, so hygiene is very important when it comes to dairy farming. Hygiene is very important, so you have to be very keen when it comes to hygiene. It doesn't mean when it's talk about hygiene, we are talking about the cow hygiene. The cow shed, is it clean? Yeah, do you wash it regularly? Do you keep it clean each and every day? Because dairy farming is a lifestyle. It's not a one day activity. It is a lifetime thing. Yeah, it is a lifestyle. So those flies, especially scissor fly, once it stings on you, you can feel the pain. Yeah. What about the cows? Yeah, you have to be very keen when it comes to these flies. They make your cow very uncomfortable. Yeah, they make them uncomfortable. You may see them as a uh, but in short, make sure you mitigate and you fight all the flies as best as you can. Yeah, so I'll be showing you that. So take those steps. Yeah, but always make sure that you keep on spraying your cows so that you can decrease the numbers of flies and you make your cow comfortable. And as well, when your cows are comfortable and they are at peace, the milk production always will shoot up. So take note on that when it comes to flies management, dairy hygiene, cleanliness. Take uh, take note on that and work towards that. So these are my cows. For those who are new here, this is called many, as you can see it. Yeah, these are pedigree heifer. Not heifer, sorry. These are pedigree horse and Friesian. And here we have a heifer. This is Inca heifer. Her name is Shiro. That is a Kikuyu word. And she'll be coming down next month. Yeah, and I showed you all those. For those who have not been watching my videos, go and watch. So cleanliness is the first thing, and then we are going to spray. So let's do it, guys. Ensure that the cow shed is very clean. As you can see, the stripping area is also clean. I'm using sawdust. The cows are very clean, and in the surroundings, I have removed all the bushes. I have cleared all the bushes, and I've cleaned the cow shed. And now I'm going to be spraying for spraying these cows.